Hello everyone, and welcome to channel M.c.F.a.e, where manifestations come fast and easy when love is aligned with the mind. My name is Untitled Chapter, and this channel is all about higher vibrations. Today in this video, I'm going to get into the 8th process in Abraham Hick's book, Ask, and it is given the Book of Positive Aspects. All right, so stay tuned. Hello everyone, and welcome back to this video. So I have been going through a couple of processes from Abraham Hick's book, Ask, and it is given. All of her processes are so amazing. What this book basically does is just simplifies how we are so special, how we are so powerful, and basically how everything with manifestations and manifesting anything, manifesting your desires, it's all an inside job. Everything, all of it begins with our mental, with how we think, because how we think is our superpower. So that's why I really want to get into this process, because this process really does focus on your mindset. It focuses on your beliefs. So your external world, your situations, experiences, none of that will change until you first fix your internal world, which is your mind, your thoughts, and your beliefs. You may move, you may go to a different school, you may have a different job, but these same situations are going to pop up. It's just different people, but same experiences. It's because you're in a vibrational pattern. You're in a vibration routine, and it's on repeat. It's replaying inside of you over and over. So that is why you are attracting the same experiences and the same situations, because we are vibrational beings. Everything is energy. We are energy. We are energy, and we are vibrating on a certain frequency, just like everything you see in your reality. Everything that you see, you are a vibrational match to that. That is the basis of a law of attraction. Like attracts like. So what you are is the same vibrational match to everything you see in your reality. Now, getting back to the book, Ask and It Is Given. It was written by Esther and Jerry Hicks. Abraham Hicks is channeled through Esther Hicks. Abraham Hicks is a spiritual guide. And they go on to explain that we are co-creators because we are an extension of the biggest creator, which is the universe, God, source, whatever you want to call it. We came exactly from that. We are an extension of that. So we have the ability to create as well, but we create our reality. We create the experiences and the situations that we wish to have in our life. And the easiest and fastest way you create your reality is with your mind, your ability to think. That is our superpower, because as humans, we are the only living being that has the ability to be aware, to be mindful, to change our mind. That is energy. That is power. And with this energy, we create worlds. Our mind is made up of our subconscious mind and our conscious mind. And our subconscious mind runs our life. It runs 95 to 99% of our lives. Our subconscious mind are things that we do without even thinking, things that we are doing without being aware. It's basically when we're falling back into our habits, or when we're in a routine. Like when you're driving a car and you kind of just zone out. Like your conscious mind, you are daydreaming or thinking about something else, thinking about what you're going to eat, thinking about what you're going to say in this presentation, whatever it may be. Your conscious mind is somewhere else, but your subconscious mind is the one that's getting you home safely. Your subconscious mind is the one that's working inside too. It's reminding us to breathe. Our subconscious mind is running every part of our lives when our conscious mind is chilling. So we want to give it up for the subconscious mind for getting us here. And the best way to build our subconscious mind is with discipline. An easier way is with our beliefs. Now, a belief is nothing more than a statement or a thought that we constantly think over and over again until we give it power. We make it a fact within our world, within our reality. We give it power when we think of it over and over again. We are now placing that thought or statement into our subconscious mind. And that can be a little crazy, because I believe that is the number one reason why a lot of people are not going after their desires, going after their dreams, or getting the money that they think they deserve. Because a lot of people have a subconscious belief that, money is the root of all evil and money is bad for you. They believe that, but it's nothing more than a thought. It's nothing more than something that they believed, and they just keep thinking over and over again, and they're giving it power. So now it's in their subconscious mind. So now, without even them being conscious, they're going to stay away from money because that's what they believe. That's what they've thought over and over until it became a fact within their reality. So now that you know that you are a vibrational being that's very powerful and made up of energy, and that you know that your subconscious mind runs about 99% of your life, and your subconscious mind is just made up of the beliefs, the thoughts and the statements that you told yourself over and over and over again, let's get into this process. Now, Abraham Hick says the best time to do this process is if you're already in a good mood, because this is a process of our mind, and it's going to be hard to think of positive things when we're feeling kind of low. So looking at this emotional vibrational scale, you should be able to see how you feel. Are you feeling, fear? Are you feeling a little bit of negativity? Are you feeling frightened? Are you feeling jealous? Are you feeling angry? Or are you feeling more positive? Are you feeling more love? Are you feeling more thankful, more grateful? So the best time to start this process, I would say, is when you're feeling a little bit, on the annoyance side, like that green all the way up. Yeah, but if you're feeling anything lower than this green color, maybe not try this process, because it might actually spiral you, because it's all in your mind. Everything is in your mind. And if you're thinking negative about something, chances are you're going to continue thinking negative. It's going to be hard for you to pull out anything positive, and you may just go spiraling and beating yourself up. So we do not want to do that. Make sure you're feeling a little bit content, or just feeling good, feeling optimistic, feeling hopeful, feeling happy, gratitude, thankful. Just stop and just be grateful that you're alive. That should be enough, but some people are having a hard time, so that might not even do it. And I understand. I am a professional beater up person when it comes to myself. So I get it. And that's why I'm telling you, make sure you check in with your emotions first before you start this process. We want to first get a notebook. Get you a notebook. All right. But Abraham Hick stresses this in the process, stresses this in the book, that get you a notebook that feels good when you hold it. Like the energy just feels good. I know it may sound weird and maybe look a little awkward, but everything is energy. So go to the store and look at all the notebooks. Look at the one that speaks to you. Look at the one that feels good. Look at the one when you open it up and you're looking at the font, you're looking at the lines. It looks like it will match your writing style. Also, pick up a pen. Pick up a pen that glides. Pick up a pen that's going to easily write your thoughts and expressions out on the paper and make it come alive. Pick you a nice pen and a nice notebook. This is the notebook I chose for myself. It was like $8 at Target. This one spoke to me because look at her. She is a beautiful black woman. Look like she is a queen. And she got jewelry on with the necklaces. So we are actually like twinning, It fits me. So that's why I picked this book. Now, to begin, Abraham Hick says to set 20 minutes aside for your first time doing it. They say that 20 minutes is a good start time to engage your degree of focus so that you can gain clarity and increase your feeling of being alive, because that's what this process will do. And they even put a disclaimer, like a warning in the book, stating that this process will make you feel so good. So you may run over the 20 minutes and continue it throughout your day, but beware. So now that we have our notebook and we put 20 minutes to the side, Abraham Hick says that the next step is to open the notebook and at the top of the page, write a name or a brief description of something or someone that makes you feel good. Like whenever you think of this person or think of this thing, you just feel good about it. It's good energy, good emotions. This could be a pet. This could be your partner, your boyfriend or girlfriend. This could be your BFF. This could be your child, a family member. Or this could also be your favorite restaurant, your favorite food, the favorite city, your favorite television show. Just whatever. Whenever you think of it, it just makes you feel good. So I'm going to get my notebook and I'm going to write My mother, because my mother is my day one. That lady got my back. And yeah, it's always good energy with her. Because it's my mom. What you mean? So when you're writing this, Abraham Hick says to make sure that you're focusing on 3 questions. When you write your description or write whoever you're thinking of, we want to focus on 3 questions when we're thinking of this person. The first question being, what do I like about you? So I would be thinking, what do I like about my mom? Also, the second question is, why do I love you so much? Why do I love my mom so much? Like, thoughts are just coming to me and I'm getting excited. Like, I feel like you can see it. It's like but the third question is, what are your positive aspects? So those are the 3 questions that are going to navigate, direct our mind when we're thinking about someone or something that we love. These 3 questions will get us in a positive vibration, will get us in a positive mindset. So again, these 3 questions that you need to be thinking of is, what do I like about you? Why I love you so much? And what are your positive aspects? I personally like my mom so much because that's my mom. That's my queen. I love her so much because she is my queen. She is my day one. And her positive aspects is that she has a wonderful daughter like myself. It's like, nah, but I'm not going to go into all that detail right here on this video because I just want to break down the process and how you guys can get started and how you guys can change your reality and manifest your desires right now, fast and easy. So once you have those thoughts in your mind and they're aligned with the good feelings that's in your body, that positive feeling, gently and easily begin to write it all down. Begin to fill up that paper with all that good energy. And please, they stress this in this book, no need to force anything. Do not force it. Just feel. Feel what comes to you easily and effortlessly. What makes you feel good? And seriously, this can be a television show. This could be a song. This could be your favorite color. It could be anything. Just something that feels good. The positive aspects that something or someone brings to your life. We're only focusing on the good energy, this easy flowing good energy. Now, once you wrote all of this down, you filled this paper, you just feel like it's finished. Abraham Hick says that it's important for you to reread it right then and there and experience the joy of everything that you are seeing. Because like I said, our joy does not come from anything outside of ourselves. It comes from within. It's already within you. This process is just allowing us to help us bring it out so that we know what it feels like. We can put it in our subconscious mind and we have the ability to create with it. We know what it feels like to feel good. We know how to create when we are in this vibrational frequency. And once we filled this page, Abraham Hick says to continue on to the next page and think of something else. If you thought of a color that's your favorite color, think of your next favorite color. Think of your song now. Think of your really good friend. If you're in a circle of friends, think of the other really good friend that you have and continue to do this process over again. Now, it doesn't have to be the same day. Abraham Hick states that maybe do it the next day and continue to do it next day. Like, get it in your heart, get it in your routine so that you can do this as a habit and that you can continue to change and raise your vibration. Because when we are doing this process, doing this process wholeheartedly, we are actually activating a high vibration within us. This is a truly powerful vibration of appreciation and thankful and gratitude. And these vibrations are high. These vibrations are next to love, freedom, and passion. So when we're feeling these emotions, when we're vibrating on this high frequency, we're going to be filled with more of ideas, more thoughts that we can add to this book of positive aspects. It's going to continue to flow through us. So it will be easy and you'll get excited. But when we're taking our time doing this daily, it's slowly but surely raising our vibration. This high, powerful vibration that you are now feeling as a result of writing your positive aspects in a book, this feeling is who you actually are. This is who you are. So let that sink in. You feeling good, you feeling positive, you feeling like you can take over the world. That is who you are. That is what lives inside of you. And this vibration will become so practiced that it's going to become your dominant vibration, like your default vibration. And all aspects of your life experiences will reflect this high, natural vibration that you are on. You'll feel wonderful and your point of attraction will improve. This process is with the mind, so it's life changing. Your relationship with each aspect that you write down will become satisfying, and the law of attraction will send you more satisfying experiences. Like I said, like attracts like. So with that being said, I feel like you can also write this down with things that you kind of don't really care for, but maybe want to. Maybe something that you want to better, something that you want to improve in your life. Like if you're working at a job and it's not great, but it's not bad either. I feel like you can write this down and focus on the positives of the job. This process is basically just allowing you to focus on the positive things in your life, not paying attention to any of the negative, not giving it any of your energy. This process allows you to switch up your beliefs, allows you to look at the glass like it's half full rather than always looking at it like it's half empty. Because we are such powerful beings and our superpower is with our mind, we only want to make sure that we are thinking positive. We are always thinking love. Now, that doesn't necessarily have to look like rainbows and sunshine all the time, but you're just doing what's best for you. You can still be in a tough situation with something, but you are choosing the decision that is going to best serve you, that feels good for you, feels good within you. This process allows you to discern that because you know what feels good. You know what that feeling feels like. You've practiced it. You know, you're familiar with it. You have a relationship with it. So this process allows you to get more aligned with your true self and allows you to change from within. Because wherever you go, you will take yourself with you. You take your vibrational patterns and your vibrational habits with you wherever you go. So like I said, it can be same situation, but just different people. So that is the 8th process in Abraham Hick's book, Ask and It Is Given, the book of positive aspects. This process I love. I highly recommend. I did it right before I started this video and y'all can tell like I'm happy, I'm excited, and I just want you guys to get this knowledge like we are powerful beings. Let that hate go, let yesterday go, let the past go, and continue to just feel good and focus on a bright future because y'all got it. We got this. We got this. So let's do this and watch our manifestations come fast and easy. All right, y'all. Hope you like this video. Please make sure you like and subscribe, show some love, leave a comment, and I'll see you all next week. Bye.